2 days past 18, he was waiting for the bus in his army green. Sat down in a booth in a cafe there, gave his order to a girl with a bow and a hair. He's a little shy, so she gives him a smile, and he said, would you mind sitting down for a while and talking to me? I'm feeling a little low. She said, I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So they went down and they sat on the pier. Said, I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one to send a letter to. Would you mind if I sent one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hands of another guy. Too young for him, they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for a soldier to come back again. Never more be alone when the letter said, soldiers coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California, then Vietnam, and he told her of his heart might be love and all the things he was so scared of. Said, when it's getting kinda rough over here, I think of that day sitting down at the pier, and I close my eyes, see your pretty smile. Don't worry, but it won't be able to write for a while. I cried, never gonna hold the hands of another guy. Too young for him, they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for a soldier to come back again. Never more be alone when the letter says, soldiers coming home. One Friday night at a football game, Lawrence Fair said in the anthem, sang, and a man said, folks, would you bow your heads for this local Vietnam dad? Crying all alone under the stands was a piccolo player in the marching band, and one named Red. Nobody really cared but a pretty little girl with a bow in her hair. I cried, never gonna hold the hands of another guy. Too young for him, they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for a soldier to come back again. Never more be alone when the letter says, soldiers coming home.